Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. August 14, Independence Day is almost here. In this video, I will be only focusing on my eyes and I will be creating a green winged eyeliner with the silver glitter. If you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to prime my face first and I'm using this primer by Benefit. Foundation I'm going to be using by Lancome in the shade 360. For my concealer, I'm using the concealer by Huda Beauty. To set my eyes and my whole face, I'm using the baking powder by Huda Beauty. I'm gonna set my eyes first, then my face. Moving on to my eyes, and I'm using the eye palette by Sephora. And I'm taking this second shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking the light pinkish brown shade and I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid. For my crease, I'm taking this brown shade. For my winged eyeliner, I'm taking this green liner from the same palette. To set my liner, I'm taking the green eyeshadow and I'm using the palette by James Charles and I'm going to dab it on top of the liner. Moving on to the silver glitter, I will be only using the silver glitter and I'm using the brush of the gold glitter and the glue inside of it, but not the gold glitter itself. I don't have any silver glue glitter at the moment, that's why I'm using this trick. I'm wiping off all the gold glitter and dipping the brush into the silver glitter and I'm placing right above the green eyeliner. To highlight my inner corner, I'm taking this silverish shade by James Charles. To line my waterline, I'm taking this beige pencil by Makeup Forever. For my lower eyelid, I'm taking this shimmery brown eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it close to my lash line. For my tear ducts, I'm taking this black eyeliner by Stila and I'm drawing like a triangular shape. to give a shape to my eyes, I'm taking the same green eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on my lower eyelid, and I'm only keeping it in my outer corner. Then I'm going to blend it with my pencil brush. For my mascara, I'm using the mascara by Too Faced. For my falsies, I'm using the false eyelashes by Bold Girl Cosmetics. I apply the falsies off camera. I'm not putting any rest of my makeup on because I will be wearing a face mask. And this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Happy Independence Day and stay safe. Bye.